Assalamu alaikum viewers. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Arfa Fashion Designing. I am a professional dress designer and I take pride in creating your favorite dresses for all my sisters and my customers. A few days ago I created a channel so that I can easily show all my friends the designs I make through videos. Alhamdulillah, my art has been recognized all over the world. My sisters have supported me so much. They like and followed me. I never thought that people will support me so much. I am very grateful to all those people. I welcome my respected sisters who visit my video, those from Pakistan and India. I also welcome these sisters from UK, USA, Bengal, Afghanistan, Uzbekistan and Arab countries. Welcome to everyone. Wherever you are, I wish you all the best. You can see that how beautiful and elegant type of dresses these are. You can have a very decent look in these dresses. I will keep presenting these beautiful designs, so subscribe the channel so that you don't miss any latest design. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.